Welcome back everybody. Today is a beautiful day and we will be packing the ute, but first we are definitely going to make the most of what we have to offer today. We've got the pups in the car. Scout, where are you? And we've got the boy in the corner, been quiet for some reason, not sure why, but we're off to go and get some popper, some fuel, and then we'll go on a little adventure and then head back and start packing the ute. Christ, it feels right. Don't know why it's going down with this pandemic that's on, but you can continue to do so, I don't care. How many other people out there are like myself and can't start the day when you've got big chores to do without a Red Bull? Maybe a V or something like that. What are you looking at? Down here at Bombo Dog Beach. Got the pups. Now we have to take our shoes off because we need to cross the water. I'm on the phone, by the way, so sorry about the quality. Let's go and see what this beach is all about. Oh, I got you. See?
Take my shoes off.
Hey! Alright, let's get out of here. She's going crazy. Okay, pups. Come on. That's it, girl. It's not bad. See, water's good. See, water's good fun. Water's good, hey? Hey, you're gonna love the water. Hey, Scout, what are you doing? What do you think of this beach? We haven't even been there yet. Just been playing in this little water crossing, getting Scout used to the water. Hey Eli. Alright, so we've expended a little bit of energy today. So I've still got a little bit left to do the packing of the ute. That's sort of like tents, swags, food. I've got to empty a fair bit of stuff out of these here boxes because I've got enough stuff in there to do like 3 families. We really only need it for just ours. Beautiful beach, Bombo. We may be back. Now, McDonald's. Hey, Booey. So once you've procrastinated enough, it's time to clean the procrastination out of the car and get to work. Alright, let's get this. It needs to be done. We've got washing in the back here, sleeping bags, toilet rolls, just crap everywhere. It all has to be done. Boxes. It's all supposed to be in these things. It's all out. Scattered all through the ute. Don't know what's in those ones up there. Got to downsize. Make a bit of room. Oi!
I could breathe.
Good boy. You helping, Scout? So that's the internal done. Didn't actually take a lot out of the boxes, just a couple of extra sets of cutlery and plates and stuff like that that I don't really need. Just organised it a bit, put all the stuff away in the boxes that they're supposed to be in. All the stuff that was in the sink is now back in the drawers. Boxes are ready to go. Now I just got to organise swags, tent. Yeah, that's probably all I need. Not going to go rooftop tent. I do have the camp trailer here, but I don't think we'll take it. Still don't know. We'll see. Same thing to do. Just make sure you fit any more accessories you might have, which you haven't already put in. Perfect. This here is a brand new winch. Bought it with the bull bar because it fits so well. TJM didn't fit that well, so new Bushman's winch. Just completely unspooled it and got it back on there. So now we're just going to empty the catch can. Oops, sorry, you like. Seeing as I don't have a an oil bucket, I'm going to use a milk bottle. Hopefully I don't get it on my driveway. Uh-oh!
Come on.
Next, of course, is the air box. What we're actually checking for is not so much the filter, but what's in here. Make sure that there's no dust in the actual intake, otherwise we have a problem. After 45,000 Ks I don't think we'll actually notice anything, but give it 200,000 we'll definitely see something. Pretty clean. It's definitely, if you own one of these things, you've got to get yourself an aftermarket air filter box. The filters aren't bad, the box they go in doesn't seal very well, so you definitely have to invest in one of them.